Today we're making shakshouka.
Yeah.
Alright, we're making shakshouka today. Main ingredients that you're going to need for this is tomatoes and eggs. Everything else is just flavors you want to add to it or something you want to have to go along with it. Here's how I'm going to do it. So I'm going to take some canned potatoes. You got to use them up. You bottom, get these up, put them into a pan, some oil. We'll throw it in the oven at 425. We're going to roast these bad boys. If you have real potatoes, use those. But I have these canned ones, I don't want to use them up. Chop up your potatoes. Top a little roasting pan. That'll work. A bunch of oil on it. Do a little salt. A little bit of pepper. Throw them in the oven. About every 5 minutes or so. Give them a little shuffle them about. Make sure they're doing alright. We're gonna cook them until they're brown. Next, chop your onions up. Yeah, something like that. I'm gonna leave these garlics whole. Just de-skin them. There's nothing like biting into a nice full garlic and just get the flavor. You can also add other things to your saute like mushrooms or celery. How you gotta just add carrots to this. Get your pan heated up, medium heat, something like that. Butter, olive oil. Butter flavor. Just gonna make this great. We can add our onions and garlic, maybe ginger and garlic paste. Oh my god. Cooking this all up again until it's nice and soft. Not burnt when you get the tomatoes in there. Whoa! Whoa! That'll be good. Checking your potatoes. Now, I'd probably put these into close. I'm actually going to get those out. Little mistakes here and there. You want there to be air to be able to get around every single one of your little stupid pieces of potato. Try that again. And that's why check on your onions too. Always give them a little bit of stir around. Let them know you got your eye on them, you know. Show it some love. Alright, once you see that this is all kind of softening up, it's getting kind of more translucent. Translucent with your onions. So let's add some salt, some paprika, some cumin, basil in there, some chili powder, and a good amount of black pepper. Freshly crushed. Beautiful. Let's let that marry up for a little bit, and we'll add our tomatoes. You got your canned whole tomatoes. I have whole tomatoes. You can use diced tomatoes. You can use the half tomatoes. You could just use tomato sauce if you don't like chunkiness. Weirdo. But you can do that. Dump those in there. Give that a little loving, a little mix around. Put a lid on. Let it hang. If you use the whole tomatoes, you got these big, huge blobs in your shakshouka. That's not good. That's not what shakshouka looks like. So you can just cut them up in your pan. No big deal. It'll work. Put a lid on it now so it can do its nice bubbling up. Those flavors are gonna smack each other around. We're gonna have something good. So we're gonna check up on our potatoes. Oh, they're getting a little crispy. Give them a little juggle around. Make sure they're not gonna get stuck to the bottom. That's good. Good little mix up. Back in there. I never said this is a fast meal. I want this to reduce a lot. As you would. As you do. As you would. Right, we got like this bubbling going on, yeah? This bubble, yeah? That's what you want when you want to see the bubble. I'm gonna cut my tomatoes a little bit more. Make them taste better. Oh, mushrooms would have been great in this. So always taste while you're going. See what you're missing. Whoa, shit.
Holy fucking shit, mate.
This is good. So you want to let this bubble off. Take the lid off. Let this air, let this wateriness thicken up. Flavor. I got a couple sprigs of parsley that I just bruised up and ripping apart, throwing it in there.
A little bit of flavor to Yeah. Ooh.
You're waiting for this to boil down. You've added your parsley. You've added your spices. You've added your tomatoes. You've added everything you need to add, and you think, wow, all I have to do is wait. Nay, nay, nay. Your potatoes. They're almost there. Real nice and bubbly. I'm gonna add more flavor to it. I want it to be hotter, better, tastier. So we're gonna add some sriracha. We're gonna add a little bit of El Yucateca hot sauce. We're gonna add a little bit of Worcestershire because I like the taste of it. Then just a quick dab of really, really, really hot sauce. Okay, good. Let's try it again. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Alright, this is near its final stages. It's almost nice and thick. You can tell it's wateriness. Not so watery anymore. Let's get our potatoes out of the oven. Perfect. Throw them down. Woo. Let those boys cool. Or girls. Or things. One last taste. Ah, it's hot. Alright, so it's now become more of like a saucy or like a slop. We can now start throwing our eggs in. You want to scoop a little spot, a little hole for your egg to nestle into. Don't gotta be perfect, baby. Add as many eggs as you want. If you break a yolk, you break a yolk. You've already dumped it in a plate now. Lid back on. I'm gonna take some of my boursin. I just love my boursin. Just a couple droplets. Something like that. Put the lid on top. Let it do its thing. Give your little roasted potatoes a try. Wow. Ooh, it's weird. Really good. Damn. See that your eggs are kind of starting to poach over. I'm gonna drop these potatoes in. Get it all comfy together. You're done. Beautiful. Lovely. Beautiful. Alright, it's been sitting there for a couple minutes. Give it a reveal. Oh, that looks weird. We're gonna call that done. Turn the heat off. Let it sit with the lid off. Stop that bubbling maybe a little bit.
Get it off the burner and fucking eat it, bud.
So that's how you make it. It's very easy. It's very good. If I can make them, you can. Enjoy your breakfast. Oh, I'm gonna go for the egg. Oh yeah, it's perfect.
Yeah.
Holy fuck. Oh my god. Always remember to keep it cool. Partners.